Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen and today I'm going to show you how I did these fruit slice nails. So I already have my Red Iguana hand already prepped with the Notpolish extra long C-curve tips, and I did cut them down a bit, you know, save product and everything. These are the really long ones and I just cut them down to whatever length I need. I went ahead and used Blonded Moment by Notpolish, number 126 for my first color. And on the pinky and the pointer finger, I'll be doing an ombre. So I'm gonna take this beautiful yellow about 2/3 of the way down the nail and then ombre the pink over it. The pink that I'm using is also by Notpolish. It is M17 Candy Yum Yum, and they really blended together very nicely. You could see I had a little bit of marbling there, but I just kept working it and it went right away, and they really marbled over each other very nicely. So this is my second time using this brush. I got the new Notpolish brush. I usually use an 8 or a 10, and I had the Glitterbels brush and I loved it. But I wanted to try Notpolishes because you all know how much I love Notpolish products. So their smallest one is a 12, so it was my first time working with a 12. And I did pretty good. I think I struggled a little bit, but I think I will be able to get comfortable with it really quickly. It wasn't extremely larger than my 10 that I'm already used to, so I think that I will be able to adapt pretty quickly.
Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you of emotions, sometimes I'm delighted, don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you
Moving on to the middle finger and the ring finger, they're both going to get the Candy Yum Yum at the cuticle down about 1/3 of the nail.
Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza eso no se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar. Quiero ser tu amor tu y yo. Contigo yo me siento.
On both of these nails, I'm also going to use this beautiful glitter called Pink Lemonade Micro Shards by Glitter Planet. I thought the name really went with this set, and it is a beautiful glitter.
Me conoces súper bien. Tú me viste y te subiste al tren. Todo vale contigo, hasta nuestros amigos se enamoran de la forma que nos ven. Enamorados somos dos. Mami, te lo digo, tú eres mi abrigo cuando va el sol.
on the middle finger, I'm going to go ahead and use those Fimo fruits, the strawberries and the lemons. And I just play with them until I like how they lay. And I do cut some of them in half just to make them fit better, fill in areas, whatever I needed to do. So I will let you watch me play around with those, and then I'll jump back on in the next part. So I did decide that I needed a little bit more yellow glitter in there, so I went ahead and added some Lemon Crush by Glitterbels. My camera did decide to cut off because my memory was full when I went ahead and encapsulated the Fimo fruit. So basically what I do when I do that is leave it real wet so it'll fall in between and then build it up a little bit from there. As you can see, I kind of end up overbuilding. I get really, with the Fimo fruit, it's a little bit thicker, so I get really nervous about not having it all encapsulated. So I just worry about it at the file out. And I will show you me capping the rest of the nails. For the hand painted lemon, I'm going to use these two colors by Young Nails Mission Control, and they are Solar and Fizz. For the inside of the lemon, I went ahead and mixed the two just to soften that yellow and make it a little bit more like the acrylic color. And I will just go ahead and paint that in and fill it in the semicircle coming from the corner. I'm going to go ahead and flash cure that with my little Kiara Sky mini flash curing lamp. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use that same Fizz color to go ahead and paint the inside portion of the rind and the inside lines that are inside of a lemon. when I do the inside portion of the lemon, I just cut like pie pieces, and then I'm gonna go ahead and connect them all kind of like you do for the drips of the nails at the cuticle, and round out all those edges. I'm gonna give myself the center of the lemon also, but then you will see me go ahead and soften out those pie shapes and make them rounded, nice and rounded, like they are when you cut up a lemon. While that is still wet, I'm going to go ahead and change my brush to a little bit longer brush. I believe I used the Fine Lines brush by Notpolish. And I am just going to pull some of that wet gel up and give it the little veins that are inside of a lemon. Also, while it's still wet, I'm going to go ahead and pick up just the pure yellow, which is called Solar, and go ahead around the outside for the outer rind of the lemon. And I do it while it's wet so that they kind of blend together and do a little bit of a transition. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and flash cure it again, and then I am going to dip back into that color that I had mixed with the white and the yellow and just kind of soften up some of that harsh white by giving it some dots. And once I top coat it, it won't be so dotty and it will just kind of look like the inside of a lemon, a little more natural, not so harsh.
Porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como todo y dejas cicatrices. Tiene que doler pasa nada y cerrar esta herida. Y se siente vivir cuando no estás, pero así es la vida, baby. Tiene que doler pasa nada.
Wanted to touch up my rind there, make it a little more even, and I will go ahead and flash cure all that. Now, I thought I had a yellow jelly polish, but I didn't. It was more like neon green, so I didn't want to use that. So what I did, I went ahead and made my own little jelly polish, and I just put a good bit of clear top coat, and then I put the slightest bit of Madame Glam's Perfect Yellow in it, and made my own jelly just for the juice coming out of the lemon. Flash curing that, I went ahead and top coated all the nails. On the ombre nails, I did matte top coat just because I love matte top coat over an ombre. And then on the other one with the glitter, I went ahead and did the shiny, and they were both Notpolish's top coats.
just hope you've been through worse.
I did decide after I got this done that I wanted to put the gems on the pointer and pinky, so I had to go ahead and go back and do that. I am going to use the Super Diamond Gel Glue by Notpolish to go ahead and adhere my gems.
Myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
So after I place the gems, I want to go ahead and just give it another light coat of the Matte-it because I don't want that gem jewelry gel to go ahead and be shiny in an area that it shouldn't be. And I just take that opportunity also to lock in my crystals and butt the top coat up to the crystals. Once I clean up my sides so that I don't lose my shape, I'm going to go ahead and give them a full 60-second cure in my big curing lamp, and then that finishes the set. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the picture that I posted on Instagram. There it is. And then a little video of the nails. I hope you love this set, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.
Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza, eso no se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar. Quiero ser tu amor en tu